Hey guys, welcome back to the Great Indian Football Podcast, the only place for football talk from an Indian fan's perspective. I'm here with Omkar, Rishabh, and Anurag, and we're going to talk some football. We're going to go through the roundup for the games last week, and we're going to go through the games that are to come this weekend. But first, we've got some news. Finally, the signing of Edouard Mendy is completed officially. So I want to talk
Yeah.
about that. Anurag, what do you think about the signing?
An underdog, and I'm kind of happy that we didn't go around spend another 50 million, 70 million on another keeper. And I don't know what happens to Kepa though. We can't really keep him on the bench given his wages and all. But I hope that we don't sell him.
No, his wages aren't that big. Kepa ka
Aren't
wages
that
are
big,
like
but
decent.
you don't,
150k is a huge
big.
amount, I think.
you don't want to
Yeah.
give away 150k to a keeper who's not starting, and also give 150k to our best striker. That is not.
Yeah. The biggest issue with Kepa का contract situation is it's 7-year deals, तो वो 10 million amortize हुआ था. 70 million के लिए जब भी हम लोग ने buy किया था per year. So it's like this long contract, जिसको मतलब अभी उसको move on करने के लिए it's a massive task. Nobody knows how he's going to do it. Because now we can't actually sell. There's no way we can actually sell him off and get anything back.
Plus, no one would buy him. Like,
Yeah.
after
Not
seeing
even
how he
for
played for Chelsea.
Yeah. Not even for like 20 million would you pay for Kepa. Like that's a bit of a problem because you can't sell him, and at the same time, if you bring Mendy in, now his confidence is already in the gutter, and you brought somebody who's going to be potentially his replacement, and it looks kind of bad. I think they're just going to have to take a loss, which is something that Chelsea isn't used to recent times. We've always made a pretty good deal even when our players have been bad, except the Torres situation a while back.
Leaving aside the money,
Other
I
than-
feel it'll bring a lot of confidence to our back four.
Yeah.
A lot of trust in our back four, and our defensive system has been good in the matches that I've seen abhi tak. Like Liverpool were not able to score. I see that as a good sign in the first half. We were playing counter, but we were strong defensively than we were previous year. Our formation was much stronger, and this new signing will only help us. So I'm excited about Mendy signing. I hope he does well.
A lot of the defense thing, I think, is to go down to Anthony Barry, the new coach. There's a lot of talk. He's been the guy who's like been organizing our defense. Because I saw that game against Liverpool. To be fair, 9 men, 2-0. 10 men, 2-0. It ended better than what I would have thought. I would have thought that Liverpool would have just full on throttle
Against the
gone
team
for
that was the highest scoring team last year.
Yeah, but right now I don't think you can judge anybody's performance because of the whole no preseason thing. Everybody's trying to get.
But actually, that plays for the players. Like you bring in previous season ka form very easy, because there's so much less gap between the two seasons. So it's like it's an
Right, but-
extended season, right?
End of last season, Liverpool were in like party mood. So basically, वो लोग खेले नहीं अच्छा end of last
Maybe.
season.
That's another.
So
argument.
yeah, so they're carrying on that party mood into this season a little bit.
Mhm.
I mean, defensively
Yeah,
they
but
don't look as
Why
crazy.
wouldn't they? They deserved it. They deserved it.
Yeah, but that's the second season ka thing, na? Like, do you want to win more? That's the question. Like, do you really want to win more? So, तू मेरे को बोला, ऋषभ, तू मेरे को बोला कि चेल्सी का फर्स्ट हाफ परफॉर्मेंस में मतलब तेरे को बहुत like इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा.
I don't think this is how they would play. Like
No, they wouldn't.
I don't think this is going to be anything like what Chelsea I'm hoping to be. I think it's going to be very, very different. I think he knew that it could be a very, very difficult game. And the thing against Liverpool is now one goal गलती से हो गया ना 10-15 minutes में, then it's even more pressure because Liverpool एक और goal score करने जाएगा. They pile pressure on you. And the thing is, first half they don't play with that much pressure. They save energy for those last 20 to 25 minutes, where they, even if they're down or even if they're up, what they'll do is they'll start pushing more pressure on you. So what will happen is even if they're down, it's a better thing for them. Even if they're not down, it's still better for them because they're putting pressure on you. So how are you going to attack us? So I feel like Chelsea was good defensively. I think one or two stupid mistakes, I would say. I think those are things that you can't afford to do, like the Christensen mistake. He could have just let him go. It was pretty
He
early.
full
I
on
mean,
NFL
yeah,
tackle.
He
yeah. I mean, and it's not like, okay, Mane was in good form, no doubt. He was very agile on the pitch that day, and but
I doubt his first touch would have been good enough to take him past.
you'll never know.
Like, no, but
Maybe
the
I
ball,
would
the
have
way
asked
it was
him to
coming
put
in.
that in, to be honest. I would have.
no, but there was like Kepa was like quite a bit far away from the ball, and I think with the first touch itself, Mane could have just left it to his right or left, and he could have run
No,
behind
but
the ball.
did you see the weight of the pass and the swing of the ball? I don't think he would have been able to control it. I don't know. I thought
That's the thing. You never know, but we are looking at it at very slow motion, right? Like, you have to think about that also. Like, I mean, at that speed, right? So at that speed, you don't know what's
he's
happening.
running.
So,
He's got like a little bit of pressure behind him.
yeah, I mean, maybe he misses it. Maybe he gets a crazy touch. I mean, you never know, right? And then, he just slots it in. So I think he could have let that. Other than that, I felt like compared to the Leeds game, we looked so much better. I mean, in the Leeds game, it was like shit. I don't even know what's
I think
happening.
the Chelsea that was on display was more of Jose Mourinho Chelsea, sitting back, waiting for opportunity. Werner.
मैंने वो अभी टॉटनहम के इसमें बोला ना, it's Jose, it's not Jose, it's Jose.
Okay.
Correct na.
I'm sorry if
Jose
is watching this interview. So
yeah, we don't want to make him angry.
Yeah, we don't. But unless we defeat him.
Yeah, he gets very cranky when you beat him, man. I mean, like super cranky हो जाता है. Last time वो गेम के बाद में ये भी नहीं करेगा, हैंडशेक भी नहीं करेगा. वो तरह बोलता है कि like always मतलब professional ये वो बाद में win करने के बाद में he turns into
a little bit, yeah.
Turns into a 5-year-old.
I think in the Liverpool Chelsea game, you guys did have some chances, but I think Fabinho was a little too good. I think you guys could have
he
even
was amazing.
Like, I think he didn't even let you guys take a shot. Like, it was like a little too much.
There were shots, but there was the Werner wala chance, which was two Werner wala chances, which were like kind of tame shots or whatever. There was a little bit of, I mean, first half, I think we had the better chances, but they weren't really chances. By that I mean, like not 100%.
Kovacic ka run, of course.
Oh, that was crazy.
1-2, yeah.
So he's so pressure proof.
That was with Havertz,
kind of crazy.
Linked up with Havertz, right? 1-2 ke liye?
Yeah. And then there was the Havertz wala chance where he made that little ball in behind for Werner, na.
Correct. From the midfield, na.
Yeah.
Dude, he was having wonderful one touch. Like, first touch was amazing.
Yeah, but वो अभी कल तो insane ही था. Tammy का और उसका Havertz का क्या combination था.
But in midfield, I don't think you guys were very strong. Like, you guys were losing the ball to us like very often. Like, if the ball is in the air, we were winning it. If there is a rebound, we were winning it.
I don't think we have aerially superior players in midfield. We have Kante, who's kind of short. We have and the rest are not like defensive-minded players.
But it's not just that. I mean, because if you think about it, Liverpool didn't play with all the tallest players. Usually Henderson and Fabinho play. So then it's a very tall midfield. But this time it was Keita, Wijnaldum and Henderson. So Keita and Wijnaldum was much shorter, even though Wijnaldum has a good jump. So, but then despite that, we were winning. And that's all due to the centre-backs too. Like Fabinho and Van Dijk, you see, when the ball is coming, they've already predicted where they have to go, and they're going to stand there. So they can win the headers. You can't just depend on your midfielders to win it. And obviously, you couldn't expect that from Christensen and Zuma. I mean, it would have been too risky for them to do stuff like that. But I think we looked so much better than the Leeds game. We looked at much more in control and kind of like how we were in the previous season. We'll have to wait and watch a few more games to see if Liverpool really have it. I mean, they've done the signing. I mean, Anurag didn't like it that Klopp said that we don't have money.
See, I told you, Barbara, I don't mind you spending, but I mind you.
No, obviously,
it's a hypocrisy.
Yeah,
that's the situation. Like, if you say मेरे पास नहीं है पैसा, and then तेरा दोस्त देगा तेरे को 10 रुपए और बाद में तू पार्टी करेगा तो सीन होगा.
He just doesn't want to accept it that he has spent money in the team.
No, but he finds a good way to I mean, I don't think anybody talks about the money that Klopp has spent to build this team. It's
Just
not,
because he hasn't spent it in one transfer season. That's the
yeah,
only
I
thing.
guess, yeah. But see, Man City ना वो एक बार spend किया वो बहुत सारा पैसा on like 4 fullbacks. That was crazy. And then they couldn't spend. I mean, obviously every team has that thing ना because 3 साल में FFP का वो ये करना पड़ता है. So some teams spend like 1, 2, 3 years में. Other teams spend once and then they can't spend for 2 more years.
Yeah.
तो वही वो कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से. So when you spend like one season में जैसा चेल्सी अभी कर रहा है, so we won't spend for another 3 years. We can't spend. I don't think. So that's unless we sell, you know, like total losses 30 million के नीचे होना चाहिए.
Plus, you guys
sold
have a
lot
lot
of
of players to sell. You guys have a
Yeah.
lot of players to sell. Like most of your players
because-
are on loan as well.
A big part of it is because of the new loan rules. अभी we have had to sell a lot of these players जो हम लोग loan पे थे, or you know above 23 and overseas players को you can't have more than 9. So now we've sold a lot of them and we've got a lot of money like that Pasalic and बहुत सारे you don't even know how many total.
But I'm sure our spend is still much lower than the other teams. Now we are still able to spend because I mean look at we've been to Champions League final twice. That is a lot of money, right? We
Winning
won the
Premier League. Yeah.
We won the Champions League. So we've been playing so many games and like we're playing at the top competitions and winning also. So I think obviously we're gonna have money.
Yeah, but winning का इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है पैसा, dude. तू समझने की कोशिश कर. Like,
But even if you still calculate, we would have still spent less
150
money.
Most
than,
teams
let's say,
get like 150 mil telecast deal में. You get it? So मतलब winning is not that important. The fact that you play in the Premier League is like the big thing. Like that is the most amount of money that you get. So I mean there was
that increases the monetization, right?
Yeah,
but that also differs at the position that you finish, right? I mean it's not like everybody gets the same amount of money,
the gap is like 10 million, 12 million, 30 million max.
Then it should not matter so much that you win or lose, right?
I'm reading
that you stay in the top 4. That's a big money maker.
Champions League के winners pocket 20 million euros.
Yeah, so वही dude इतना मतलब एक player भी नहीं आएगा मतलब like proper player.
Yeah.
So that's what the PL has become like a bit too big.
The other thing is that we also sold very big, no? I mean the amount of money we earned, like how many clubs have sold players for more than 100 million, dude? Like
the Coutinho deal was a robbery.
Honestly, I'm surprised that we sold him for that much. I mean, I don't even think
we sold Hazard, and that's why it's balancing the books in a way.
Yeah,
we sold Morata for 50, which is just impressive. Morata for 50 is like the most impressive.
Yeah, but it's going to be interesting to see now because now the Premier League clubs are the big clubs in Europe, right? So now they're not going to be the selling ones. They're going to be the ones who are buying, right? Like let's say United is buying Sancho. They're not selling a Sancho. Dortmund is selling a Sancho, right? So you're going to have to see like, you know, how much are they going to spend? Because I don't think now Premier League clubs are at a stage where United have a really good player, let's say. They can't say that, you know, isko bech dete. It's like if we sell, we're not going to be able to compete. Or Liverpool can't go and say ki Van Dijk ko bech dete. I was like, how are we going to play? You know? So I think we'll have to see how that goes.
A fun fact about the last game week is that Harry Kane had more assists than Kai Havertz has had successful passes.
Yeah, but अभी hat-trick मारा ना, dude. Hat-trick मारा अभी.
Carabao Cup ना, bro. वो भी Barnsley के against.
हाँ, तेरा कोई भी player मारा. तुम लोग का कोई भी player मारा hat-trick.
नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
Luton Town. That will be true for every United player.
नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
That stat will hold true for every United player.
नहीं फर्क पड़ता.
Okay, let's.
नहीं फर्क पड़ता. हैट्रिक से क्या होने वाला है?
लूटन टाउन में हैट्रिक मारा तुम लोग.
हैट्रिक से क्या होने वाला है ब्रो? लिवरपूल
मुझे बता,
उसने क्या
3 असिस्ट. एक मिनट, काई हावर्ट्ज से ज्यादा असिस्ट मार के क्या होने वाला है?
कौन असिस्ट मारा ज्यादा?
तू क्या बोला?
मैं बोला कि Kane had more assists than the number of successful passes.
वो एक पूरा गेम भी नहीं खेला, ऐसा चढ़ गए उसके ऊपर, मतलब मजाक ही है.
I'm trying to say that Kai Havertz did not even have 4 successful passes in the match against Liverpool.
So what are you trying to imply that he is a bad player or ganda player?
No, I'm not. No, he performed really shit in that match.
I agree.
No, he didn't perform at all. That's the point. He was basically pre-season के बिना था, and then they put him in to get some game time. Preseason
against
नहीं लगा.
Liverpool, but then if you play him against Liverpool and you are paying such an
Dude,
amount
this is
for him,
pre-season.
so
You're
you
not
would
getting it.
expect
You will have to play
No,
him no matter
it's a
how bad he
pre-season
plays.
for every team like that.
But
Like,
Kai
No,
Havertz
but
is
he
new.
just joined 6 days ago.
Dude,
Not
क्या बात
Choco.
कर रहा है? Dude, he came all the way from
क्या
Germany.
bro?
Kane England में
वही
पला
तो.
बड़ा है, खेल रहे सालों से. How can you compare?
But we can make that argument that Thiago had a lot more passes.
Oh yeah, Thiago plays in a position where he touches the ball a lot, and obviously 9
वो भी
men.
Germany
And
से
plus
आया.
he was नहीं पर 45 minutes भी नहीं खेला ना वो.
कौन?
वो ज्यादा
Thiago
खेला तो
was
कम
playing
पास.
in a
दोनों
10
दोनों
man.
दोनों नहीं खेला.
पहले 10 man. Secondly, in a defensive Chelsea. But ठीक है, fuck it. Thiago is a much better player than Havertz can ever, मतलब right now be. Like on his best
I don't
day,
think it's a.
Thiago
it's
on
not
his
a-
worst
नहीं,
day
he's-
is
he's-
equal to I mean
Yeah, 28, 29 hai. He's in his like
different league.
end
bro.
of his edge of his prime, and this guy's a kid. He's just 20 years old, 21, and he just came to a different country. People are hyping him up a bit too much, I think, because I mean it comes mostly from Germany. Germany thinks he's like the next best thing that has come out of their academy. I think Chelsea fans have just climbed on that bandwagon because we bought him, but if he continues his growth, I saw a stat, so that you're a big fan of stats now, so that he had more. He had
I
the
have
fourth highest goal contributions this year. Fourth highest
Plus-
after
Plus his
Lewandowski, Messi, or
first time
Cristiano.
finishing is also very good. Like Kai Havertz can just like if the ball is coming, he can shoot it
Kai
first
Havertz
time and it's in the net.
Onkar, what are you saying, bro?
I'm not saying he's bad,
Let us-
dude. I'm not saying he's
bro,
bad.
that's
No,
it.
no. I'm not saying that he's bad. He's too young and he has a lot of talent in him. He's
And
a
also,
really
he's
good
not the
player.
kind of player who's going to touch the ball a lot. He's more about off the ball runs and one touch shoot, one touch. वैसा है वो. मतलब he plays.
He'll make the
he's all
most of his
known about-
touches.
Yeah.
Even
Yeah,
if he
yeah,
makes
he makes
three
some-
passes in the
He doesn't even hold the ball for long. He's just
Yeah.
like tuck and then he makes a run.
Yeah.
So, anyways, let's move on
Dude,
to
Barnsley, I think
United.
he was even working hard, by the way. I'll add a point. I really liked
Yeah.
one or two of his flying tackles. अच्छे थे, on point.
Yeah. He was very good positionally placed, I think. He was making the most out of his work. Basically, like he didn't work that hard up and down the pitch, but he was positioned well enough to cover two players. वैसा, like he was very intelligent about his movement. Anyways, let's move on to United versus Crystal Palace last game. What
Stats.
was your thoughts on that?
Stats, please.
Stats का चलना है.
We were really bad in that game. Plus, I just
Oh,
want to
news.
point out why did we start Dan James? Like, why not Greenwood? Because like in the second half of the Premier League last season,
अरे Greenwood
Dan
पूरा
James
30
got
गिरी
his
किया ना.
Dan James got his chance, dude, in the last season. का start
अरे पर
in the
Greenwood
first few
अभी full
weeks.
on ठरकी गिरी किया ना तो उसको थोड़ा सा
Bro,
punishment
थर्की गिरी किया तो फोर्डन भी किया ना. फोर्डन स्टार्ट किया था bro.
Discipline,
थर्की गिरी
bro,
से क्या है?
discipline.
City वाले लोग don't care.
No.
वो लोग का
Discipline.
reputation वैसे भी गंदा है.
वो तो है, but then I think Greenwood should have started instead of Dan James. It was a really poor decision.
अरे बहुत stamina use हो गया था उसका.
Plus nobody performed in that game. Like our central. We need a few pacey center defenders. I think Bailey should start instead of maybe Lindelof or Maguire. Like just get Bailey in the team. He's really good in his defending, and
Actually, bro.
it was just a terrible performance,
सुना. Guys,
which I don't even wish to talk about.
ये बंद कर.
Leeds, Sheffield third defeat maybe.
तो मतलब Sheffield के पीछे पड़ गया अभी तो.
As
Like उसको तो relegate कर रखे छोड़ेगा.
Yeah.
मजा ही आ जाएगा.
काला काला जादू कर रहे हो घर बैठ के bro.
कांटे डाल रहा हूँ मैं.
But
और तो कोई नहीं. Leicester City भी है bro. Leicester City.
Let's move on to the next week's this weekend's fixtures. Let's start with The big game, Liverpool versus Arsenal. तुम लोग का fixture list is weird, man. तुम लोग दो big games like continuous में. क्या बोलते हैं? Arsenal has had your number like last few games में.
They've played well. I think Arteta is like some kind of scam artist. कुछ तो करता है वो.
Scam artist. Arteta तो scam artist है.
वो वहाँ बैठ के काला जादू कर रहा है दूसरे टीम.
कुछ तो कर रहा है वो.
Dude, how is he using Pep's tactics? Like he's almost.
No, actually he's very conservative.
Nahin?
Maybe he has learned a lot under Pep.
Yeah, actually, he learned the
I
same
would
thing
say
Mourinho learned
don't-
from Barca.
Don't
Like,
count the
like how
Community Shield game because उसमें तो वो लोग कुछ भी खेल मतलब वो लोग माने तो दौड़ ही नहीं जाता. माने बोला छोड़ दो. चाहिए ही नहीं ये चीज.
नहीं,
वो
but it-
कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे थे वो लोग. इतना गंदा कैसे खेल सकते हैं? Like we played worse than what we used to play under Brendan and all. इतना गंदा खेल
yeah,
रहे थे.
and also
But other
Arsenal
than
के लिए
that-
that was the game of the year, ना? Arsenal
Yeah,
वही तो
yeah.
game खेलता है.
But I mean, they
First
played
title
well. I
of
think
the year, man.
the one we played before in the Premier League, we had already won the league, right? I don't remember exactly. I think we
Yeah,
already won the league.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again,
You
I
played
mean, so
them after us, I think.
yeah. So
No,
I want
yeah,
to see
before that.
like this year how it goes. Obviously, it's again very early, so you don't know. You can't really judge. I don't think their squad is very good though. When I look at their squad, I think it looks pretty average to me, especially their midfield and all. Like it doesn't look
Yeah.
very good.
But they've been getting results, man. I don't know how. Yeah.
Mohamed Elneny started the first match for
Because
Arsenal. Like, that was
he
so
plays. I mean, I think
that
he plays in a style where you can get results. He banks a lot upon Aubameyang, his runs, and him creating a lot of magic. And Aubameyang has been really good, dude. Like, so in front of goal, thoda like he has to cut in once, and his foot is really good.
Yeah.
Probably go in, and you can't save those goals. It's very difficult. वो पूरा curl करके
Plus-
अंदर जाता है.
Plus, Lacazette also has been consistent in the
Lacazette.
first two matches.
Yeah, both of
Which we
those
never
players,
saw from
right?
him.
Like there are very few teams in the Premier League who have like that kind of ability. Like Liverpool score a lot of goals, but Liverpool का बहुत सारा goals just goes in because of the amount of pressure we put in. इतना pressure डाला, mistake किया, goal किया. These guys, they have like both of them ना very amazing foot. Like मतलब they can curl the ball like crazy. Lacazette तो उल्टा उस साइड फेस करता है, करते करते इस साइड गोल मार देता है. मतलब खुद के गोल फेस करते करते इधर मार देता है. मतलब he somehow has that instinct to score. So I think, but Arteta plays in a fashion like where he is very pragmatic. Like he knows that थोड़ा भी high line रखेगा, लिवरपूल का ऐसे प्रेस आएगा तो सीधा मतलब गोल जाएगा. So that's why I think he's been able to
Also,
get
वो
which makes sense.
मारवाड़ी जैसा खेलता है.
Commit करने को लगाता है वो.
Conservative खेलता है अपने. Yeah, नहीं
Marwadi
seriously.
just-
He's very conservative. Even Willian fits in
The
so
thing
well.
is-
Willian fits in so well at Arsenal. Because
Arsenal.
curl इतना अच्छा करता है वो.
Dude, एक गेम अच्छा खेला वो. सब लोग like second game में वापस level पे आ गए.
It's just one match, dude. So basically, all the players who had like really good game week 1 were not as good as in the second game week. So you can't just say that. It's just one match.
James was good. Both games.
Dude, Willian has never
Calvert-Lewin.
been a player that scores a lot of goals. Or
Yeah, he's gonna work hard for you.
Yeah, exactly.
He's gonna work hard.
He's gonna curl
But his
goals
crosses
every
are
time.
good.
He's gonna do.
Yeah.
Also, I think
I-
Arteta ka entire policy is because Liverpool like to create overloads. He kind of almost makes them commit into overloads, and then he passes out of that pressure zone. वो मतलब 2-3 goals में उसने वैसा ही किया. Like he makes the Liverpool players come towards him, and then he passes out, breaking that overload. So he's actually quite clever. I really think that he's gonna be a proper coach. I mean, maybe go to Barca one day or something. I mean, God knows they need coaches.
Dude, we need an Arsenal fan. Yeah.
But
Yeah, we do.
I don't think
If-
he's gonna play like that for a long time though. I think he doesn't have the team that he wants. That's why he's playing with that. I think if he
He's
survives,
not gonna
I
get
think
the
he'll
team
survive.
that he wants. Arsenal, man,
Why?
he's not gonna get it. I mean, I
Arsenal
don't
have money,
think
dude.
they
They're
like
not a
to.
poor club.
Dude, Kroenke is really, really stingy. So,
But it's not
he
like they
doesn't
don't
like
spend
spending.
money. I mean,
They don't spend as much.
they spend, dude. It just seems like that. I mean, when your players don't
Yeah,
perform
where-
well, you feel like,
Where did this? I don't. I think it's been shadowed by other teams scoring. Oh, where did they spend the money?
Yeah,
They
obviously,
wanted Partey and Awar,
Or
whatever his name is.
huh.
Yeah, Jovi.
Oh.
So I don't think they're gonna get either, to be completely honest. So
Like
you
if
were
they
thinking-
don't sell anyone, then they are
they're
looking
not
forward
selling.
to they are looking forward to sell Lucas Torreira to Atletico Madrid, and
Yeah, but how much would he
maybe
even
if he
bring in?
goes out,
वो इतना
if he
गंदा
goes
टीम हो
out-
जाएगा ना वो आई डोंट वांट टू प्ले एथलेटिको मैड्रिड ऐसे ही उसमें से इतने हरामी प्लेयर्स हैं ना सब उसपे
Yeah.
से टोरेरा इतना
अभी
फाउल करता है ना
सुआरेज भी चला
तो वो
गया।
लोग
ऊपर से सुआरेज
गेंडूजी को
उनका पूरा
basically
टीम ही वैसा है dude.
हाँ
वो लोग ऐसा लग रहा है गेंडूजी को लाइक एक लेस के पैकेट के लिए बेच देंगे ऐसा टाइप का लाइक सब जगह गेंडूजी डाल रहे मतलब इधर जाओ उधर जाओ कोई ले रहा ही नहीं है क्या सीन है मतलब he was like 2 साल पहले he was like oh my god this young prospect is crazy good कांटे से कंपेयर कर रहे थे अभी लाइक किधर भी जा रहे हैं
कांटे से क्यों कंपेयर कर रहा था उसको
बीच में कर रहे थे वो लोग dude
Nobody's
Arsenal
like
fans, like
Kante.
दो
I know,
गेम
I
खेलेगा
know,
ना
absolutely.
कांटे से कंपेयर हो जाता है लाइक 2 गेम कोई भी वो लोग का प्लेयर खेलेगा अच्छा हैजर्ड से या कांटे से कंपेयर होगा it's crazy
I think, but over the course of the season, you have to see Arsenal do it. Like it's not. ये मतलब मैं तुमको पहले ही बताया था. See, big games you say कि लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट खेला. लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट चलो जीत भी गया. It's not actually a big deal. The big deal will be when you go to Crystal Palace, Burnley.
Yeah.
ये सब जगह पे जाके when you win, no, that's because उधर खेलने के लिए it doesn't matter. Like लिवरपूल का स्टाइल ये वो सिटी का पासिंग वासिंग doesn't matter. वो आता है वो तुम्हारे ऊपर चढ़ बढ़ जाएगा प्लेयर.
Yeah.
एक तो उस दिन देख रहा था प्लेयर दूसरे प्लेयर आंख पे ऐसा रख दिया था तो कुछ भी करते हो उसकी आंख पे ऐसे रख के वो चढ़ गया क्या कर रहा है अभी कुछ नहीं कर रहा है
आंख पे रख दिया
वो लोग ऐसे सब प्लेयर खरीदते हैं प्रोफाइल देख के क्या ऐसे मतलब चीप हरकतें कर सकता है गेम में सो आई थिंक दोज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट गेम्स वी हैव टू सी एंड बिकॉज़ Liverpool became a big team when we started defeating those teams. We were winning against big teams. Dude. Like
I think
we were all
United became a
Huh.
small team when they started losing to those teams.
yeah.
Yeah.
They were losing.
Yeah, all the records were broken. Man.
Yeah. Continue. Yeah. You were saying you became a big team when you defeated those teams. Fair?
Yeah, I
आजकल
mean, and
ऋषभ like full on form में मतलब like
टीम अभी जीत रहा है तो अभी करना
Yeah,
पड़ेगा
yeah.
यू नेवर
Go on,
नो
go
अब
Then वापस like
चुपचाप
नहीं वो tweet था ना like you know Liverpool fans all coming out of hiding after winning
I was never hiding. I knew
Yeah,
what my
he-
team was, and but we've always had good goal scorers. irrespective of how
hibernation से
bad the
बाहर आ
team
रहे
is.
हैं अभी like
Like
अभी
team
actually
कितना
सबसे
भी
ज्यादा टॉक्सिक
हाँ.
ट्विटर पे लिवरपूल फैंस ही है अभी like full on like they're like यूनाइटेड फैंस पहले जैसे थे ना अभी वो their spirit यूनाइटेड का spirit has been broken तो वो लोग अभी
Yeah.
sadness
Oh, shit.
we, I don't think so. This is
Oh,
too
नहीं.
much. Yeah. United have won way too much. So obviously मतलब overconfidence तो आएगा ही. अभी वो बंदा
हाँ,
Alex
right.
Ferguson won what 13
Yeah.
13 times मतलब is too much.
नहीं,
उसके
but
बाद तो
when-
fans में थोड़ा arrogancy आएगा ही ना मतलब.
नहीं when he left ना यूनाइटेड को तभी भी ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं अभी थोड़ा सा हार रहे
अभी तो
वापस जीत जाएंगे।
कर
हाँ,
पाएंगे हम लोग कर
हाँ,
पाएंगे
no,
ब्रो डेविड
हाँ।
ऐसे लगा था कि डेविड मोइस को साइन करे तो वो भाई स्कॉटिश है मैनेजर ये तो स्टाफ जैसे ही बनेगा
स्कॉटलैंड
भाई
में
तो-
पासपोर्ट पे अच्छा मैनेजर लिखा रहता है
भाई कुछ नहीं किया भाई
नहीं पर अभी
No,
like
but
10
it's-
साल हो गए ना तो now they've lost complete hope like अभी वो they're like okay with their position basically
हाँ अब तो रियलिटी फेस कर रहा है ना मतलब अभी एक्सेप्ट करना ही पड़ेगा 10 साल से कुछ
हाँ।
नहीं किया
Yeah.